top.
What's that again if you want to tell us that?
I'll take you there one day. I have to go and see my office mates.
Sabi mo sa akin dapat pumunta ka dyan ah.
Bakit?
Nandiyan si nanay ko.
Nandiyan ba? Division of City Schools. Teacher ang item ko. Sumasweldo ako ng teacher, pero detailed ako dyan. Hindi ako nagtuturo, pero naka-assign ako sa lahat. Tapos, nung nagtanggalan na, ayaw na nung gano'n ng department. Or later.
What's this bridge?
Yeah, this is, ano ito tayo dito? What is this bridge? Quezon Bridge? Quezon Bridge, whatever. Hindi, is it? Recto. Ano?
No, it's ano eh. Quezon.
What you say, rectum?
Recto.
Ano pong bridge to, ma?
Quezon.
Quezon Bridge.
Oh, this must be where Quezon Circle. Where's Quezon Circle? Somewhere close, I suppose. You tell them about the Tixies?
The what?
The Tixies?
What's that Texas?
The Tixies.
Texas.
No, Tixies.
What is it?
The taxis in Kuala Lumpur.
In Kuala Lumpur, they call yung taxi natin Texas. And that's an ads, tack, tack, tack. You sprinkle. And the sound of it is tack, tack, tack.
I like these bloody jigs. They're pretty fancy. He's got 5 driving lights in the front of that.
Meron pa rito, tita, ayan o, TV, malaki, yan o. Screen. Ayan, nasa,
Yun na, no?
bago na yung Quiapo Church.
Bago na rin. Oo nga, ano, iba na yun. Nga eh. Kaso hindi kita maiwanan eh. Hindi ka naman mapabayaan nag-iisa para mag-spend ako ng time doon. Buti ko ito katulad ni nakasama. Kaya wala. Maghapon nga kami ito. So, sabi nga, kung pwede nga lalagyan ko ng pampatulog doon para matulog eh. Meron siyang ano siya ng mga baka, yung nagagatas siya. Yun ang kanyang trabaho niya, kanyang business. Tapos meron siyang disco. Kung gusto mong magpa-party, na gusto mong may disco, pinahin mo siya. Meron siya nun. Tapos meron siya sa mga malalaking farm na gano'n, meron siyang, kung gusto mong ipa-bulldozer, meron siyang bulldozer, meron siyang mga trucks, may mga bulldozer siya.
They're doing with the palm leaves over here.
Maybe flowers, flower arrangement for the to sell. See, it's like a flower shop.
Oh, it's like a flower market.
Yeah. Florist shop in Australia.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty good.
Kapag yung tumbatan ko, hindi natutulog.
Sanayasan dito.
Private, sorry. This is Chinese here. Chinese general. It's a big hospital.
Yeah.
Naka-sexy posing pa siya eh.
Nice furniture,
This is like Harvey Norman's old furnitures.
Yeah.
They sell a lot of furniture here, all this street.
They like fuel tanks too.
Hey. This one is the Chinese cemetery on the other side of this fence.
I was just taking.
Chinese cemetery.
I was just taking the rubbish that was laying on the side of the road.
Yeah, well that's how bad the rubbish are here. This is ano to? A church. What church is this?
What church? We just going in. Oh, where? Further down.
Okay, we just went past.
Oh, well, you should say on the right or the left, but in that time.
Yeah, I couldn't think of the name of it.
Speed humps are pretty dramatic.
Dito makalimutan.
Call them speed humps in Australia. Yeah, Don't know what you call them here. Speed humps.
Ayan, stop na lang.
Okay.
We're here, are we?
Yep, yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Yes.